Hey everybody. Hello, welcome. All right, so today I just wanted to talk to see how everybody's doing during this time and just see how your market is doing. Things opened up in your state, and how's your business? Has business picked up, or is it still low, or did it ever go low due to COVID? And most of the states have opened up. It's still practicing social distancing, but I did post on our Facebook group about which states are opening up for business and whether it's still stay at home mandated, stay at home recommended, or no stay at home orders at all. The picture on the cover of this is not accurate, so you will have to click on it and go to your own state to see what color code it actually is. And that's something that I posted about 2 hours ago. So there is that. I just wanted to check in to see how everybody is doing and see if people see what your plan is, time frames, and all of that. And the same thing with sellers. I know a lot of people during this time off, they've been doing a lot of yard work and a lot of sprucing up the home, stuff that they never had time to do before. And so there's just always things to do that your sellers can be doing, and or future sellers can be doing to be able to get their home ready to put on the market. Just make sure that people are still getting information from you on, it could be either daily or a weekly basis. And that way they know that you're thinking about them, and just make sure that your future clients, that people will be buying, and, in the future, or sellers will be selling and getting their house ready to put on the market probably within a couple of months if they aren't already. Just make sure that they have things that they know they need to be doing in the meantime, and you're the one that should be providing that information. Make sure that they have all their regular maintenance done for their HVAC or their windows or their fireplace, stuff like that to keep them busy. Hey Taylor. And so I just want to make sure. Okay, I had to move real quick. Yeah, and so any way that you plan on keeping in touch with people, whether it's through phone calls or texting or emails or social media, do any of that. Just make sure that you're staying in touch. And again, go and look at some things from Ladies of Real Estate, how they have infographics that you can be posting, and making sure that people are just like thinking of regular maintenance tips they can do on the weekend, or things that they could be looking forward to in the city when the city starts open up. If your city hasn't opened up already, give them ideas of what they can do to start planning a summer vacation when we're able to reconvene again. A lot of people right now, they are planning trips. They're already, getting airline tickets and stuff because they are so anxious to get out and travel. And so maybe highlight things that could be happening in your city. Go to your city's Chamber of Commerce, or see if your city has like any website that shares what will be happening in the community that people can start going to. Of course, we all know a lot of states are opened up, and so restaurants will be opened at maybe 50% capacity or whatever. But mention things that people can do where there's not a capacity limit, like parks, or state or national parks, or greenways or blueways, stuff like that. Just make sure that you're always promoting your city, your town, because that's where your market is. And so I just want to see how everybody's doing. Like, did you guys have a down market? Did you guys lose buyers? Did you guys lose sellers due to COVID? And did things pick up again? I think this is like week 11 now. And so I noticed a decrease in the first 3 to 6 weeks. And then after the 6 week, things started picking up again. And so I just want to make sure that everybody's doing good, that they have a strategy and a game plan. And if you have any questions, then let me know and I'll answer them for you. And I just wanted to give you guys some tips on how to make sure that your leads and your sellers and buyers are staying connected and that you're promoting your city. And let me know what helps you stay motivated. What do you need to be motivated? Let me know how I can help you and answer any questions. And oh, okay, sorry, I was looking at something. And let me know what else you need to know to be able to cope during these difficult times. And let's see if I can go back over here. So again, if you're not getting like daily updates about the real estate market for your town or just the nation in general, go to rismedia.com. You can find them on Facebook or Instagram and just get some highlights. Like in their newsletter that I got from them today, it talked about 3 strategies to improve social media presence, increase marketability, and boost your business. Just stuff like that. You can always get good ideas from and promote that on social media. You can even do quick lives on social media if you want, like 1 to 2 minutes. You can post, like I said, quotes or infographics on social media. Share how you're navigating your business through this crisis. Make sure that people have a newsletter to keep in touch with you. Stuff like that. So those are all the different tips that I use and where I get inspiration and ideas from to be able to keep people in the loop. And if you do social media and you're having a hard time with scheduling stuff and you don't want to like pay for an expensive monthly subscription, there are monthly subscriptions out there. There's Hootsuite, for example, $30 a month for their basic plan. If you want to try something else just until you have your social media figured out, try Recur Post. Recur Post is they have a free plan. You can do up to 100 posts a month, and it's just it's laid out similar to Trello. If you're familiar with Trello, check out Trello also. Go to Trello, and it's great for creating to-do lists and for planning what type of social media you want to do. In previous weeks, I've talked about how you should always have 3 types of content on social media: engage, entertain, and educate, the 3 E's. Or I've also have heard it being called ACEs, where you do authority, connect, and engage or entertain. So check out Recur Post, Trello, and Risk Media if you need any ideas. All right. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Post them below and I will answer them. Hope you guys have a great day. Thank you.